What's good, smell good squad, man? It's your boy D back again. This is the Layer by Scentz channel. And look, man, today I wanted to bring it to you guys straight, man. We got something hot and brand new off the press just coming out, and your boy sent out for a sample and it came in the mail. So we're gonna check it out and see if it's worth getting a full bottle. So look, if you had any curiosity on how that new Aramis Intuition smells, we're gonna get into it right here, right after the intro.
My sense of beast.
B.O.B. What's good, smell good squad? Man, I did not
combos to feed the streets. Yep. I be mixing body oil with the EDPs. What? And I smell so sweet, now it can't be beat. They like, what you got on? It's the top of the street.
Or Joe Milano.
Subscribe to the channel, yeah, we coming with heat. Yeah. For work the day, night, now your swag complete.
You too, what's going on? So look, we're gonna get right into it, man. I got that brand new fragrance, Intuition by Aramis. And you already know Aramis, man, they go way back, man. Way back to like the 60s. I think like this is probably one of those classic brands that your granddaddy used to rock, man. I definitely got a aftershave that I kind of mix with my alcohol, so when I shave, kind of spray it on, and it smells pretty good, very fougere. And you know, that's that's probably one of their best scents. I can't really think of the name of it. I probably try to put like a little bottle of it, but it's that original Aramis. So look, man, they coming out and they got a Aramis Intuition. Now, I've seen this all over social media. I think the campaign had D Wade kind of as like the brand ambassador. And yeah, man, I basically just filled out for a sample. They sent your boy a sample. And man, we're gonna check it out. We're gonna see if it's good. All right, so look, man, we got the sample in, and it's really simple sample. They give you a nice little pamphlet, a little information about the fragrance. Like I said, man, the ad had that boy D Wade on the front. And look, this is the introduction that they gave us. Introduction, Intuition by Aramis, the new men's eau de parfum. Inspired by the instinct inside. The moment aspiration begins, action and excellence becomes second nature. And they say that this fragrance is energizing, bold, and magnetic. But we're gonna see about that. We're gonna see how good it is, man. So we got our little fragrance right here. And man, we're just gonna test it out, man. We're gonna go straight to skin. We ain't got time for no test strips, no messing around, man. We gonna see if it's good and really test it out, man. So get a couple of sprays in, waft in the air. And right off top, this is fougere. This is definitely giving me like a fougere vibe. You get like that lavender in the air. I'm feeling like some type of citrus, and I mean, it definitely doesn't smell bad. This is a pretty decent smelling scent on the opening. Like I said, man, the opening, you're getting a lot of that citrus up top, and then you're getting that lavender that's giving it just a nice floral smoothness to it. But that citrus up top, I can't really tell exactly what it is. I'm guessing off the front of here, they got some grapefruit. So I think that's what they're going with. They got some grapefruit. Looks like lavender, some vetiver, and maybe some leather or some type of suede aspect. So those are the main notes that they're advertising for this fragrance. And I'm definitely, like I said, I'm definitely getting the lavender. I'm getting the crispness of that citrus up top. And as it dries down, we're gonna really get a chance to see what it really smells like off of that opening. So yeah, I'll definitely be back after a while. All right, so look, I've got a chance to really wear this on my hand for a while, and it really has changed to the point where you definitely get that soft, leathery, suede-ish type feel, but it's not like an off-putting type of leather where it's like overpowering. It's still Still has some of that citrus off the top. You're still getting a lot of that lavender, and then that vetiver is starting to poke through. So like that suede vetiver type of feel with the floralness from the lavender. And then, like I said, it makes for a really nice scent. I mean, this is a pretty manly type of scent. I would say that this is definitely masculine, but it smells pretty good. I mean, I don't know if I'm gonna want a full bottle of this. I mean, I have a scent that I feel like this smells kind of similar to this. I mean, not exactly the same, but some of these qualities, I definitely get that out of the fragrance that I'm referring to. And that fragrance is actually Prada Luna Rosa Carbon Edition, which they're definitely not the same scent. And I'm not saying that they're the same scent, but I get some of those vibes. Like I said, this is definitely like fougere, and it gives me just a lot of that lavender right off top. And as that citrus has kind of worn down, so like I said, man, that suede effect or that leathery type of essence creeps through. And then that vetiver, it just makes it feel like fresh, woodsy type. I mean, it's a pretty good scent. Like Aramis definitely didn't miss with this one right here. It definitely smells good. Like I said, man, definitely like a fougere, something that when you put this on, you're gonna smell like a man, like a grown man, but not like their original scent where it smells like super fougere, super old and kind of like outdated, even though that one's not really outdated. Like I said, man, I use it for like my aftershave and it still gets compliments. Like anytime I shave my head and I'm you know, just disinfecting my areas, man, my wife always like, man, it smells good. So hey, man, I would say definitely cop a bottle of this. I mean, get your nose on it for sure. Get your nose on it. See if you like it. If you like something more like fougere like this, that's more like suede and lavender leaning forward. I mean, and more lavender forward leaning, then definitely check it out. But yeah, I definitely like it. Like, this is a really good scent. I think the profile is a nice profile. It's very refreshing. It's definitely magnetic in the sense of me definitely going back to just get a smell and a whiff of it, just to familiarize myself with it. And yeah, man, this can't do no wrong, man. I think this would be something where you can wear it in multiple situations, and man, you're going to get compliments. You're going to smell good in whatever you're doing, and I think it's worth a cop, like I said. So definitely check it out, man. This is that Aramis Intuition, the one that your boy D Wade is the brand ambassador for. And if you want to get you a sample of this, I would say, man, definitely go to their website. Like I said, I found I seen an ad on Facebook that was saying they was giving out samples, and I just luckily filled it out. They sent it to me, so not bad at all, man. This is that Aramis Intuition. Go check it out. So look, man, that was the end of our fragrance review. Just, you know, checking out something new. So look, man, that was the end of our fragrance review, checking out something new. And I think it went pretty well, man. I think this is a definitely good scent for you to put in your collection. Something that's going to be versatile and it's going to smell good. And you're not going to get any complaints with this one. For sure, man. Nothing off-putting about it. You're definitely going to smell like a man or the man. And hey, man, at the end of the day, that's all we're looking for, man. You're looking to smell good, be good, have your health out. So look, man, at the end of the day, that's all we're looking for, man. You're looking to smell good, look good, and feel good. So, man, that's all she wrote with this one. So look, I'll see you guys around on the next video. Look, if you haven't gone ahead and joined the Smell Good Squad, go ahead and lock in with us. All you got to do is follow the page, like this post, drop a comment, let me know that you're here. I mean, give me an idea on some videos that you guys want to see, and man, we're gonna see you guys next time. But look, if you want to continue to watch some fragrant content and see some more videos with your boy, recommending you guys to some great fragrances, I always got some videos popping up on the stream, and you already know, man. Go ahead and subscribe, man. I'll see you guys next time on the next video. It's your boy D, the Larry by Scentz channel, elevating your presence one spray at a time. We out. Peace.